I'm Sean Power, Financial Market Analyst at Capital Markets Elite Group, and this is a quick video to walk you through how to download and install MetaTrader 5, or MT5 as it's more commonly known. We're excited to be able to bring you this cutting-edge trading software, and we hope you enjoy this video tutorial. So let's look at how to download and install MT5. By now you should have completed the application process, including the identification, and you should have received an email that says your funds have been deposited and your account has now been activated and you are ready to download MT5, the trading platform. So the email should look a little like the one here on screen. At the bottom you have your login and password details, and in the center here you have the link to download the MT5 trading software. So if you double click on that, I'm going to right click and open a new window. And you'll see in the bottom left here it starts the download process. Once you get this flashing circle here, you can click on it and you'll be prompted to run the installation process. Simply click yes when asked, and you'll see here we have a user agreement. Simply click next through this, and you'll see at this bar here, the green bar that starts scrolling across, just indicating that the download and installation is taking place. It should take a matter of minutes. Depending on your download speed, it's a pretty quick process. Just a quick note here, when this process is complete, as you'll see here, it says congratulations, we're waiting for you. So click finish. It prompts a website for MQL5, which is a community forum area. We don't really need that here. It's just asking if you want to sign up and have access to services. But for the purpose of this video, we don't need that, so I'll close that down. You'll see at the bottom, you have a Capital Markets Elite Group terminal. So click on that. And here it's saying, you've installed the software, please select your broker. So again, we've got this one highlighted, simply click next. And now you have three options. Open a demo account, open a real account, and connect with an existing trade account. This is the one we need here. You've received your login details, so simply enter your login details. And just make sure your server is on the live service. You want to be on the live server. Once you've input the correct login password and on the live server, click finish. And here, this is the MT5 platform. As you can see here, the four charts on the screen are waiting for an update. The system is saying there, here are four charts. You've not told us which ones you want to look at yet. So a quick tip is to simply drag and drop and you'll populate the charts. We do have videos in our offering of how to navigate MT5. So the layout we've created here for you, the market watch, navigator, the account section, the chart section. We also have other videos covering how to place a trade, how to amend an order, and then some future ones on candlestick patterns and formations. So I hope you found this useful. I hope you've successfully downloaded and installed MT5 and you're now ready to begin trading. So please do check out the rest of our videos, and we hope you enjoyed this video tutorial.